In this video, I'll teach you how to drive your SMOL. It's very simple. You can control the SMOL using the keypad below the picture in the web interface. With the arrows, you can go forward and back, turn in place to the sides, and turn around itself while going forward and back using the corner arrows. I'll show you how to use these things to conduct a simple inspection. We're going to go look under the sofa and see if we can find the cushions for our bar stools. We're going to need to turn our light on because we can't see under the sofa at all. Let's drive forward. I think I see things. Off to the right, you can see our wiring closet. Those look like cushions. They are blue. And those are our cushions. We've found them. Now we can simply turn around and get out of here. We can also back up if we like. The SMOL is very easy to drive, and you can get it to go just about anywhere. We hope you enjoyed the demonstration.